Hi and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to sign a document with your employee using Hellosign embedded on Moonworkers. First of all, let's select an employee and then go to the document section. Add a new document, and here you have two choices. Either you request a document from your employee, so they will upload a PDF themselves. Nevertheless, you can decide who's gonna sign the document, or you upload the document yourself, and this is the same process. You can determine who is going to sign. I'm going to do that. You can categorize your document. So it can be, for example, a performance appraisal document or an onboarding one. You create a visible title and then a description visible by your employee as well. Now let's upload a PDF. And here you have three choices to select who is going to sign. So it could be both parties, nobody, so meaning you're gonna just upload a document, or yourself only. Here I'm gonna select me and my employee. So as you can see, we connect to Hellosign. Here it says it's not legally binding because this is a demo, but of course, in real condition, of course, this document will be recorded. And here we go. So now your employee has received the document and can respond to it. So you can see from this section that James is due to sign the document. All right, so the notification we just received tells you that James has now signed the document, so you can approve it. So you can see that both signatures have been recorded. There is a tracking system. You are happy with it, you validate, and now the document is also saved on the employee's dashboard here. So you can retrieve your document and access it at any point.